In recent years, the rise of global warming has increasingly caused damage to the world's agricultural development. For example, during one of California's droughts, the state's irrigated farmland shrunk by nearly 10%. Even more recently, the LA fires have burned more than 40,000 acres of land, greatly impacting California's agricultural industry. With this problem in mind, we have thought of a solution that could possibly address this decrease in farmlands.
This is our Regenerative Ocean Farming system, which focuses on creating another food source for Los Angeles by growing food underwater, utilize space and resources in the ocean, since we are on the verge of depleting over land.
One of the techniques we're using involves growing plants inside domes with a water-based nutrient solution. The plants are fed by a hydroponic technique that spirals around the edges of the domes. To prevent the plants from getting overwatered, there will be a fan inside the domes controlling the humidity levels.
What would be grown inside the domes are strawberries, tomatoes, lettuce, and ginger, because throughout our research we found out that they're really convenient, easy to grow underwater, as well as affordable.
When ready to harvest, the plants will be transported through a conveyor belt to the storage unit in between the domes. From the storage unit, they would then be transferred to the submarine to take to the surface.
The technique that would be applied is regenerative ocean farming, which is used to grow food using the ocean's resources in a way that allows ecosystems to be restored. It is a sustainable method of growing shellfish and seaweed that can mimic the structure of an ocean reef. There are many benefits of utilizing this type of system, like improving water quality and reducing ocean acidification.
To make this model, we 3D printed some parts of the domes, the fans, and the submarine using an app called Tinkercad. As for the motors, they are powered by a microbit, which we learned to program and wire ourselves.
Solutions for certain problems because it aligned with some of the United Nations goals. Goal 9, Industry Innovation and Infrastructure. Goal 12, Responsible Consumption and Production. And Goal 14, Life Below Water.
We hope to help LA with our project.